you some sports news. IPL is not just about having fun on the field, but it is about having fun after that. Two rising stars from the Kings 11 team, Manan Mohara and Mandeep Singh, have some real good pranks up their sleeves. They caught up with our NewsX correspondent Payal Mehta to unravel these the pranks, in fact, which they do post the matches. Take a listen to this interview.
Two young and two exciting players from the Kings 11 team, Mandeep Singh, Manan Mohara, both coming back after a good performance in the first couple of games. How does it feel to, to be in the mix?
It feels really good. We have been contributing to the team side, so it feels good.
Manan, the mark that you hit was in tough conditions, and it really mattered. How was it batting out there, fighting it out in your first few outings?
I think it was my first game. I was nervous, but batting with Mandeep really helped my confidence. I've been idolizing him since I was young and started playing cricket. So it was good fun batting out with him.
Good that you mentioned that when you were young. I think you boys are still young, by the way. You have one of the best captains in the business that one can really ask for. A word for Adam Gilchrist.
I think he really motivates, especially youngsters. He motivates really well, and he always give confidence to the youngsters. And he just say that just give out there, go out there and enjoy yourself. Nothing as such, no pressure. Don't take any pressure, and just go out there and enjoy yourself.
What is his general mood like? What does he do in the dressing room? How does he address people? Is he approachable?
Yeah, he's really very nice guy. One of those cricketers who are really hustling and bustling with the youngster and every player. It's not like no attitude, nothing. He's been a legend already, but really mix up really well.
Your team members also told us that you guys are a lot of fun. You guys are a lot of prank players as well. Who's your soft target?
I think coaches. All the coaches, we prank a lot on them.
And everybody how scary is Praveen Kumar? We keep hearing a lot of things about him.
Nothing to say about him. Really nice guy, but it's fine, he's performing well for him. That's it, what we want. That's it.
And what is the general mood in the dressing room? How do you guys unwind? How do you relax?
As you say, we prank a lot, and especially on the coaches, we prank a lot and mimicking on them, and that's it. Yeah.
I'm just going to try a different segment with you guys. I'll name some actors, and you have to say, you'll probably have to put names of your team members in there. Come on, guys, you can do it. No, we'll start with you, Manan. Amitabh Bachchan.
Praveen Kumar.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Me.
Preeti Zinta.
Herself, she's the co-host.
I thought you were going to say Preeti Zinta as me.
No, not me. Yeah. Preeti Zinta herself,
Shakti Kapoor.
Shakti Kapoor. Gurkirat.
Shilpa Shetty.
Vipul Sharma.
Who would you associate David Hussey with? Which actor?
I think he's a funny guy. I think Akshay Kumar will do that. Akshay Kumar.
And what about Piyush Chawla?
Piyush Chawla. Sunil Shetty. Piyush Chawla. तू आंसर दे रहा है इसका? Maybe kind of.
You guys, it looks like you guys are scared of Piyush Chawla, are you?
No, we are not scared, but we are not getting a perfect match.
Okay, finally, every team has its own way of celebrating. Some dance steps, some gesture. What's with your team? Let's see it from the two most exciting and the two most really well talked about boys from the Kings 11 Punjab team.
We sing a song actually after the game. We can't really sing it on the TV actually, but
of course, you got to.
No, that's a team song in the pavilion, dressing room. I really don't know the lyrics much well. He must be knowing it. If I have the wings of a sparrow, it's like it goes like that.
Go on. You can try.
It's a bit. I don't know what to say, but it's. Yeah. I can't say it on the TV.
What is your dance step going to be if Kings 11 are the IPL champions? Now, I'm sure you can do that.
Punjabiyon.
We'll have that repeated, Manan is going to do that for us. So we have a new actor in Manan.
Punjabiyon.
Well, that was fun. You know, the new boys from the Kings 11 side, they know not only how to play cricket, but they know how to have fun out of it. And we certainly wish them luck and hope that they can shine even more bright. With Vijay Mukesh, Payal Mehta in Jaipur for NewsX.